Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tomato soup in a generic cooking game. First, gather your essential ingredients: fresh tomatoes, a sturdy cooking pot, and a reliable knife. Don't forget the water, salt, and pepper. If your game allows, consider adding optional items like a sprig of basil or a splash of cream for extra flavor. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now that you have your ingredients, let's prepare the star of the show, the tomatoes. Give them a good wash to ensure they are clean. Then, using your knife, carefully chop each tomato into small, manageable pieces. Consistency is key for even cooking. Once chopped, transfer all the tomato pieces directly into your cooking pot, ready for the next step. With the tomatoes in the pot, it's time to build the soup base. Pour in about 2 cups of water, just enough to cover the tomatoes. Season generously with 1 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of pepper to taste. Stir everything together, then place the pot on the stove. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Let the soup simmer for about 10 minutes, or until the tomatoes are wonderfully soft. Once cooked, carefully blend the soup until it reaches your desired smooth consistency. You can use an immersion blender or transfer it to a regular blender. For more great deals and the link to those amazing darn tough socks, check the description below. Finally, pour your delicious, hot tomato soup into a bowl and savor your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.